Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add video in Wix website. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for wix.com. Open the official website, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to this page. Here, select the website you would like to edit and click on Edit Site. Now, click on the Edit Site button at top right corner of your screen, and you will be redirected to the Wix website editor page. Once the web page loads up, locate the place you would like to place the video. After that, click on the plus icon at top left corner and navigate to search. Now, search for video inside it, and you can see a bunch of options are being displayed. Simply select any one of them. You can also choose the video options at the left side. Simply choose the video upload feature from inside it. Now, click and drag it onto your website and resize it to your preference. After that, click on the Change Video button at top left corner of your screen. Then choose from your local storage and wait for it to upload. Once uploaded, click on it and then select Add to Page. That's how you can add video in Wix website. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.